That's it. Back to Morden.
As we're heading towards Morden, Manitoba, the home of Dirty Customs, aka Bumpside Garage, I'm just checking out the scenery here. Look at those beautiful windmill generators. Good thing they work good. They're kind of cool, but kind of dangerous to birds at the same time. But we must get on with the program, shall we?
Yep, she's in. She's in the shop. You know what that means? A little bit of work is going to get done. Just a little bit. No, I was just going through it here a little bit more. Just looking at stuff, right? Staring at stuff. Coming up with a game plan. Yeah, I happened to notice. Straight from the factory, I don't know what the heck. I guess they had little drain holes all through the car. I mean, with today's standards, that wouldn't even pass a safety. That's hilarious. Maybe they had little buttons in there, just like in the back. I was looking, you got the old style brake handle. Yeah, give it a twist. I think this is your pump for your washer fluid. And I gotta look at this. It says overdrive. So I gotta do a little research on that and figure out what that button is. Yeah, there's a lot of figurines on this car. But you know, it's just one of those things. Plus I gotta look because parts are not readily available for these cars. I mean, they are in the States, not so much up here. So what I got to do is I'm going to take a look at one of my older videos when J-Ride did that 67 Mustang. I got to look, because I know he bought the whole floorboards and all that. I got to look to see if this is the same or similar. If it's similar, then I'm in the good. So I need 2 floor patches, and I guess I'll make a kick panel. Just no big deal. Like I said, back here, don't have to do much with this floor. She's pretty solid. Needs a little bit of repair on that end. And yeah, dig some of the seam sealer out. As you can see, it wasn't really sealed with anything. There's no dynamite, no nothing on this car. It was just plain Jane. There was nothing here really, just the carpet. That's why I kind of laugh at all these little holes. It's like that would just let moisture in and on a rainy day or whatever. But yeah, well, I'm not complaining too much. This car's pretty clean for its age. So with that, I think we might, if we get energetic enough today, might actually pull the engine out. Engine, tranny, and whatever else we need to do there. So yeah, let's do some Ford action today. Well, the points look half decent. Might be able to use those for sure. It's not seized up in there or nothing. Cap and rotor look decent. Yeah. Oh. Cool. Oh, she's loose. She's hanging there now. Getting ready to yoink it. Doesn't look like anything else is hooked up. Had to go full spread eagle on the crane here because the car is so narrow. So at least there's no chance of this thing, toppling over like did with the New Yorker. But yeah, so out she comes. parts of the truck is in. Now I gotta quickly unload in a little bit after breakfast and go move some more junk around. And that should be it. I can get back here and get back on this one. And yeah, take the parts off, get processed and what I need, what I don't need, and start giving her. Well, went and helped out a buddy. Now I got 57 Chevy parts. Old DD Speed Shop Specials. I don't have any bullets though. Nice hood. Fenders seem okay. Guess I'll clean them up and put them on the old marketplace, I guess, and see if anybody wants them. I do have a bumper somewhere too. Not here. No room for it right now. So I'll grab the bumper later. But yes, I have a bumper. Or maybe I'll just use it and make some yard art or something with it and then sell it. Who knows? Who knows? All right. Let's take a bit of a closer look at this fine parts specimen, I guess you could say. I got some denting here, which you could probably bang that out. Well, those aren't that greatest. This bezel's nice. Of course, that's not too desirable. It's all smacked. Same as here. Used to be a straight 6. Got the 3 on the tree. Still there. Although I tossed mine. Maybe I'll be able to use it. I don't know. We'll see. Wiring is still somewhat there. I got a steering column, manual brakes. These tubs aren't that bad. They're fixable. Of course, it's got a little bit of rot down there. Usual spots, right? Where the battery sits, eats it off. That's probably fixable too, which is fine. I'm just trying to determine what year this truck is. And I'm not 100% sure if it's a 69 or a 68, 71. So I'm leaning towards it being a 71. Just by the looks of the hood, but I'm not 100%. This is all good here. This chrome piece is fine. There's a couple little spots that signal light's fine. I don't know if that's the same as a 67, but we're gonna find out. Yeah, newer rim, another one. It's not rotted out, but it's all dented up, so we're gonna have to do something there. I might be able to fix that, no problem. I have to pull down. Yeah, still got the emblems on it. Mirrors are mint, not rusted through. Doors are in really good shape. The open and close really nice. Hinges are good because I need some hinges. Definitely need some hinges. Yeah, so like I'm saying, hinges are good. Not really slopped out or nothing, so that's good. Be able to use those. Got all the paneling in it still. Rad shrouds. Still got rubber carpet in it. floor itself doesn't look that bad. Yeah, it's all blown out back here, and you can see somebody did some really shoddy bodywork. But I think the main floor itself underneath is okay. I could probably cut it out for parts. Windshield's obviously done. No good. These are fine. Back mirror's fine. Like I said, got a column. Oh, look, I got a heater. A few other little parts here and there. Fuel tank is really good still. But close is good. But like I said, the cab is pretty much toast on the bottom here. The roof is good. It's better shape than mine. The only thing is, though, I've got a 12 bolt, non-posi, I do believe. I'll have to jack it up and confirm. But the other thing is, like, these frames, I don't know. I'll probably sell the frame off to somebody who wants it. But I'm not a fan of these frames because they're so thin and they gotta need a lot of beefing up. Like all my trucks, as well as Jay over at J Ride there, they all have the same problems. I don't know if you can see that. You look at the back of my truck, same thing. You look at the back of my 67 GMC, same thing. Jay's short box, same thing. They all droop and they all twist and they all bend weird. I don't know why they do that or what's going on with them. It's just that they're not exactly the sturdiest frame in the world. They're pretty thin, compared to a square body frame. So I got a couple square body frames at home sitting in the back there. But yeah, if anybody wants this thing, not sure what they're going to use it for, but yes, it's the ladder bar frames, and these bars are toast. They would have to be replaced because they're completely blown out and rotted out. So that's not good. So I mean, you could get new ones, but why? Hanger bearing, obviously. Still got the muffler. Muffler looks okay. And yeah, somebody took the suspension out of it a long time ago. So kind of digging the slammed look. But all in all, yeah, I don't like these frames. I know mine on the 72, she's actually cracked right in here. That's why I'm switching mine out. But it's definitely getting a square body set up. But other than that, yeah, there she is, all her glory. That's in good shape. But yeah, I gotta find where the VIN is and figure out what year this thing actually is. Just for fun. Not that it really matters, but just for fun. Oh yeah, sliding rear window. That'll be up on Marketplace soon too. Get her done. Yeah, coming along just fine. Strip it down, strip it down. But, it's a good farm truck when you find some bullets in it. That's how you know it's a good farm truck. I just gotta pull this out. It's funny, because some of the floor stuff here is kind of ugly, but I guess they wanted to do some sound deadening. So they filled the whole bottom with foam, which is hilarious. But that's what they did back in the 90s for sound deadening. They never did it inside the cab, just did it wherever. There you go. Getting her done, boys. I don't know if anybody wants this frame, but yeah, whatever. Good morning, everybody. It's another nice morning after a big storm. So I've been noticing that Sobering Restorations, Dave and Jeff there, they've been getting at it, getting on her, and they've been tagging a lot of people in their descriptions and stuff like that, just to get the viewership going for everybody. So I think I'm gonna follow their lead a little bit here. I'll probably do the same thing. I'm gonna start tagging people and checking out channels and stuff like that too. Why not? I mean, they're getting right after it. So yeah, like I said, time to follow their lead a little bit. And thanks, Dave and Jeff, by the way, once again. Alrighty, so check this out. That's what I've been saying back in the day. You know, between the other sites I use versus YouTube. Right, here's BitChute, my BitChute. I just put this video up like maybe an hour or two ago. And it's already sitting at 22 views. I got 23 subscribers here, so I don't have as many subscribers here as I do on YouTube. But this is what I was saying about YouTube, and I should have at least 1,000 views by now per thing I put up. Go here to BitChute. That one's sitting at 1510. Everything else is sitting about 800, 900, almost 1,000 there. You know, 848, 827, 781, 744. See, I'm getting the views on other platforms way more than I am on YouTube. And yeah, I just don't understand what's going on. Other than the fact that, well, like I said, yeah, that one's sitting at 1510. Like I said, comparable, YouTube's got me kind of shadow banned or something. Because there's times I'm on other people's stuff. And yeah, I am searching myself out and I can't even find. I cannot even find half of my stuff. I have to actually go in and search. Like literally search, like a snowblower repairs. Almost 400 views right there. That's the smaller stuff. That's 600 views, 679. So it's not like I'm not getting views on other platforms. This is my problem with YouTube. And like I said, I'm pretty sure they got me shadow banned because, like I said, I cannot find half my videos unless it's specific to whatever you're looking at. Yes, it's under the same name, by the way. If you're on BitChute and want to follow me there, go right ahead. But this is what I'm saying. Like half the time, I even punching my name up, it doesn't come up half the time. I got videos, they don't come up. The stuff, even with the Ford, I punch in exactly what you see, 1964 Ford wagon. My stuff does not come up at all, even if it's new videos or whatever. So I don't know what's going on there with YouTube really, or what their problem is still with me, but whatever. It is what it is.